when you give interview for a data engineer position at Google, so almost every candidate is asked to write a complex query, right? For example, they might ask you a question like, they will give you a table of user logins and another table of purchases, and they will ask you to write a query to find the percentage of users who made purchase within 7 days of signing up. I'll repeat the question. They will give you a table of users, the table giving you the user's login data. Okay, and they will give you another table of what kind of purchases they have made. So that table will have a foreign key which will be associated with each user, right? And then they will ask you to write a query to find the percent of users who made a purchase within 7 days of signing up, right? So the login table will have the login uh, time, and accordingly the purchases time and things like that. There will be different scenarios. Accordingly you have to write a query smartly uh, to tell them that who made purchases within 7 days of signing up. After just signing up they made purchases. Okay. Okay, so they do ask this question to test the understanding of window functions. Like they want to understand that whether you have idea about row numbers, or for row numbers you understand, right? It just assign values on a windows like 1 2 3 4. Whether you have idea of rank, there's different rank. They might manipulate the question to understand if you have idea about tens rank and normal rank and things like that. Then they want to understand lead and lag. If you are able to understand this, they want to see if you are able to join properly across large data sets. They want to see how you write filtering logic and how you write aggregation. Other than this, another common question which they ask is data modeling slash ETL design. So they almost for certain they will ask you to like model a data, starting from entity diagram, ER diagram, entity relationship diagram, maybe. However you approach it, and they will ask you to design a extract, transform, load design, or extract, load, transform design, depending on the scenario. So here Google want to see how you think about scalable pipeline, right? They want to see how you think about scalable pipeline. So wanna see how would you design a data pipeline which can, like, maybe in this example, which can track YouTube videos view in real time. So nowadays a lot of companies focus on real time technologies like maybe Kafka. So here they are testing whether you mentioned pub slash sub, which is from Google, whether you mentioned Dataflow, which is a transformation tool, whether you mentioned BigQuery. These things they are looking for. They will also look if you are able to handle schema evolution, because sometimes what happens, the upstream systems schemas changes, whether you are able to handle the late arriving data, and whether it is idempotency is maintained, meaning that with same data the same results would come, something like that. And they wanna see like how do you trade off between batch and streaming. So these are the few things they are checking.